Everyone goes through the same set of pain, same set of struggles. Everybody has their quota of struggle and pain, just like everybody has their set of happiness and peace. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel, Tamanna Awakens, which is a sacred place for healing, introspection, and awakening. Today's world is so temporary and so monotonous that whenever we see somebody happy, whenever we see somebody living a life which is contentful, which is peaceful, even when it's not the real world, even when it's just on social media, we humans just start getting jealous. We humans start revolving around all the negative things, around all the worst things, around all the struggles that are going in our life. But the truth that nobody tells is that everybody has to go through a lot of challenges, a lot of pains to live one single day of happiness, to live one day of content and peace. I don't know why we humans have been designed like this. We do not get happy in somebody's happiness, but we definitely get happy when somebody's sad, when somebody's going through pain. Imagine you were coming from a marketplace and you saw somebody who just met with an accident. You might would have stopped, or you would have looked at the rush that was around it, but then you would have simply started your vehicle and came back home. You would have never ever thought again about that person. You would have never ever thought again about what would have happened to him, who would have helped him. But on the same end, if it would have been you, if it would have been your accident, if it would have been your life which would have that struggle or that incident, that would have actually bothered you. This is simply the psychology of life. The struggles which we face are own struggles. The struggles which somebody else is facing is their own struggle. But when it comes to the life as a whole, when it comes to happiness as a whole, all we know is that we are the only ones who are not happy. We are the only one whose wish is not getting fulfilled. We are the only one who is struggling the most to fulfill one small criteria or one small wish in life. But this is not the reality. The negativity keeps on dwelling every time whenever something bad happens. And that bad is not actually bad. That is just a redirection or repurposeness of our life. Whenever some negativity comes, our brain is channeled in such a way that we keep on creating more negative scenarios. We keep on creating more negative thoughts around it. And whenever some happiness comes, we are so involved into the negativity again that happiness comes into our life, that happy moment comes into our life and pass within the spur of a second, and we are not even able to enjoy that moment. But when you realize you want to be happy, when you are ready to not struggle and be happy through whatever the life is making to going to come, you automatically leave everything behind and become happy. So when it comes to your own life, stop thinking and imagining that only you are going through struggle, only you are going through challenges, when the truth is everybody around the world is having some or the other problem in life. Some people just know how to hide it through their smile. Some people just know how to not speak about it and still manage with it. I have seen women who are going through such hard phases in life, who are going through such challenges times in life, but from their face there is just smile, there is just happiness, and you would never ever imagine or know that this person is fighting through such personal traumas. So whenever somebody says you that you have such a calmful life, you have such a peaceful life, just give them a smile and send them positive vibes and aura. Believe me, if you spread happiness and if you spread calm and serenity to people, your life will radiate back that positivity and you will also become abundant and liberated. Remember that there is nobody who is not going through struggle, and stop getting jealous from all the people who are enjoying a small moment in life, but because you do not know the background story, that what was meant for that happiness and how many days of struggle and pain was there behind that happiness. So until the next Thursday, take care of yourselves. God bless you all. This is Tamanna signing off.